AI engine DNN Video Flow. And from an AI mentor's perspective, here is a 3-paragraph explanation of the Deep Neural Network, DNN, video. Keynote from the author's desk, Pradeep K. Suri. As the architect behind this deep neural network visualization, my goal is to bridge the gap between raw operational data and intelligent decision-making. This video encapsulates how AI models can transform everyday data into strategic insights that empower industries from healthcare to manufacturing to education. By demystifying the layers of a DNN, I aim to inspire both learners and leaders to embrace AI not just as a tool, but as a decision enabler that mirrors human reasoning. Let this model serve as a blueprint for building transparent, scalable, and domain-aware AI systems for the future. 1. Input layer, the power of raw data. The video begins by showcasing the input layer, where raw data is collected from multiple real-world sources. These sources may include sensor readings, customer transactions, patient health records, or industrial machine logs depending on the domain. This raw data forms the foundation for decision-making and prediction. The input layer is critical because it reflects the initial signals from the environment that the AI system must understand. Each input node represents a feature or parameter that contributes to the overall scenario being analyzed, providing a holistic view of the operational landscape. 2. Hidden layers, data processing intelligence. The core strength of the DNN lies in its hidden layers, depicted in the video as interconnected nodes forming layered pathways. These hidden layers perform sophisticated mathematical transformations on the raw input. Through weighted connections, activations, such as ReLU or sigmoid, and backpropagation, the DNN filters noise, extracts patterns, and recognizes complex relationships in the data. These layers can be seen as the brain's cognitive functions, silently and powerfully learning from data. The video visually communicates how each layer deepens the abstraction, helping the network move from raw features to meaningful insights. 3. Output layer, decision support system, DSS. The final segment of the video reveals the output layer, representing the decision support system. This is where the processed data culminates in actionable results, predictions, classifications, or recommendations. Whether it's predicting maintenance needs in a factory, recommending medical treatment, or providing customer behavior forecasts, the output is precise and optimized for decision-making. The video highlights how AI-powered DNN outputs enhance strategic, tactical, and operational decisions, helping stakeholders act confidently and proactively based on AI-driven intelligence. Video explanation in 3 paragraphs. 1. Input and condition mapping. The video opens with a dynamic visualization of 5 patients whose health data has been processed through a deep neural network, DNN. Each patient's condition is expressed as a percentage probability, derived from their vitals and symptom scores. This DNN output is visually represented using vertical bars, each in a unique vibrant color, making it easy to distinguish patient data at a glance. The height of each bar reflects the AI's confidence in its diagnosis or condition classification, such as stable, critical, or observation. 2. Animated forecasting. As the video progresses, an animated sequence unveils each patient's data step by step, simulating a real-time AI evaluation process. Overlaid on the bar chart is a dashed line graph representing forecasted improvement, projecting how each patient's condition may change with intervention. This offers a compelling way to visualize both current diagnostics and potential outcomes, empowering healthcare providers to plan timely actions with better foresight. 3. Decision support through AI. The final sequence combines both bar charts and forecast lines, illustrating how a DNN not only diagnoses conditions but also enhances clinical decision-making. By mapping data-driven probabilities with easy-to-read visuals, the model serves as an intelligent decision support system, DSS. It demonstrates the AI's role in medical environments, providing clarity, highlighting urgency, and ultimately supporting the healthcare team's judgments with precision-based forecasts. Memo keynote from the author's desk, Pradeep K. Suri. This video reflects a vision where AI bridges raw patient data and actionable clinical insights. The model was designed to translate complex health metrics into intuitive visuals for healthcare professionals, emphasizing transparency, accuracy, and foresight. Through this animated DNN framework, we aim to empower caregivers with real-time diagnostics and projected trends so that every decision is not just data-informed, but future-aware. Thanks for watching the video.